The last 2 years have been very challenging for all of us, every country, every single person in the world. Through this theme, Indonesia invites the world to work hand in hand to emerge stronger from the scarring impacts of the multi-dimensional crisis caused by the COVID-19 pandemic.
Making learning more relevant to the challenges of the 21st century.
Ethical, rational, compassionate and caring.
Bridging gender and social category gaps.
Teachers must be supported in digital skills.
Solidarity and partnership and think again.
Basic skills such as reading, writing.
Provide students with paid work experience. No student will fall behind.
The 3 million boys and girls that did not have connectivity in their schools will be connected.
For children on the autism spectrum.
Children and young people must be the priority.
Many of the messages are very good examples
from learning recovery and
prioritize young children and disadvantaged.
To reimagine and to improve our education systems.
Priority given to the most isolated area.
To support curriculum alignment with industry demands in the digital skills area.
To achieve the objective, the EWG is proposing the development of G20 toolkit.
The quality of teaching and equity in education.
To access and utilize the available content at no cost.
We are introducing local skills improvement plans, Equal Opportunities Alliance.
Transition from school to work.
By the digitalization.
Integration between industry and education.
In a lifelong learning perspective, it is the key.
Vocational education and training.
For us here in Germany, vocational training is one of the main success factors.
Students will study also specialized matters.
Lifelong learning
through job training.
Alignment between education and the technology job market.
In 3 stages to help equip our children for the tomorrow.
Digital learning platforms.
It's a strong connection between school and business sector.
By leveling up productivity and employment.
Competitive and advanced.
Challenging process of economic transition.
To prepare our students in the future market.
And this covers the misalignment of learning systems with the labor market needs.
And act creatively
in raising people's welfare.
Partnerships between education systems and employment.
A very ambitious plan of
vocational education and training for the workforce.
I would like to thank all member countries and invitees, international organizations for the great support and valuable contribution. Each experience, recommendation, and input from all of you serves as an important step in our journey to recover together, recover stronger for all of us, for all our children in the world.